Brazil's northeast is on the cusp of an unprecedented energy transformation, with the region taking a global leadership role in the production of green hydrogen, the sustainable fuel of the future. Driven by a massive investment of 20 billion US dollars, this initiative promises to not only revolutionize the local economy, but also position Brazil as one of the largest exporters of clean energy in the world. With abundant natural resources, strategic infrastructure, and strong collaboration between the public and private sectors, the Northeast is poised to create thousands of new jobs and attract billions in new investment. As green hydrogen becomes a key part of the global energy transition, Rio Grande do Norte and other states in the region are at the forefront of this movement, paving the way for a sustainable and promising future. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Northeast Brazil, poised to become a global powerhouse with green hydrogen. Brazil's Northeast is poised to become the center of a global energy revolution, thanks to a $20 billion investment in the production of green hydrogen, the fuel of the future. This breakthrough puts the region on track to become a global powerhouse in clean energy. Rio Grande do Norte, leader in the race for green hydrogen. Rio Grande do Norte, already recognized as Brazil's largest wind energy producer, is now taking on a leading role in the production of green hydrogen, H2V. Combining abundant natural resources and cutting-edge infrastructure, the state is poised to transform the global energy landscape. Currently, 6 innovative projects are under development in the state, with 3 already in the environmental licensing phase. Together, they have the potential to generate 5 gigawatts of clean energy, positioning Rio Grande do Norte as a global hub for H2V production. The state attracts investments from international giants, such as Germany's Nordex and Spain's Acciona, consolidating its prominent position. Mega investment that will transform the economy and generate jobs. The $20 billion investment in green hydrogen promises to boost the local economy, generating more than 30,000 jobs and attracting billions in new investments. The Alto dos Ventos industrial complex in Macau is a clear example of the potential of this transformation. With an area of 10 hectares and a capacity of 1 gigawatt of green hydrogen production, the project is one of the largest in the world, placing Rio Grande do Norte among the elite in clean energy. Strategic infrastructure for the export of green hydrogen. No progress would be possible without efficient infrastructure. The government of Rio Grande do Norte is making the industrial port viable, which is essential for the flow and export of green hydrogen to the world. In addition, regulatory initiatives, such as the legal framework for hydrogen production, are being developed to ensure a favorable environment for new investments and technological advances. Employment and training opportunities in the sector. In addition to the economic impact, the green hydrogen sector in the Northeast will open a new era of professional opportunities. It is estimated that more than 30,000 direct and indirect jobs will be created in areas such as engineering, technology, logistics, and project management. The Center of Excellence in Professional Training for Green Hydrogen, opened in Rio Grande do Norte, is the first in Brazil to train professionals to work directly in the production of H2V, ensuring that the country is ready to lead the global market. The future of green hydrogen in the Northeast. With investment potential that could reach $90 billion across the Northeast region, green hydrogen promises to revolutionize not only the local economy, but also Brazil's role as a global leader in the clean energy sector. States such as Ceará, Piauí, and Bahia are also investing heavily in H2V projects, with Ceará leading the way in terms of the number of initiatives. However, Rio Grande do Norte's pioneering spirit and infrastructure continue to position it as a vanguard of this movement. As green hydrogen emerges as a key solution for reducing greenhouse gas emissions, Brazil, and especially the Northeast, is poised to play a leading role in combating climate change and producing the fuel that will shape the future of energy. Northeast, global protagonist in green hydrogen production. The massive investment in green hydrogen not only transforms the Northeast into a reference in the clean energy sector, but also ensures its leadership role on the global stage. With unparalleled natural resources, international support, and a solid infrastructure, The region is poised to usher in a new era of sustainable economic and social development. Thank you for watching our video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Discover the world. 1. Travel more paying less. 2. Quality of life for you and your family. 3. Trips to incredible and paradisiacal places. 4. Innovation in the tourism segment. 5. Trips with cashback. 6. Relax in exuberant landscapes. Paradisiacal trips at your fingertips. Learn more about how to make your dream trip come true. Click on the link in the description.